Good morning. It is another week in the life, starting fresh. Sunday morning. Last night we had our concert. It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. My voice is still sleeping. Just got out of bed. Slept all the way in because my rehearsal got canceled, and the only thing I have to do today is teach a lesson at 5 o'clock and but also do laundry and clean and stuff like that. We're playing the Stravinsky octet, which is not something that I saw coming this year, but I'm excited for it nonetheless. It's a fun little piece. It's 4 winds, 4 brass. I've never played the Stravinsky octet. That's kind of the beauty of continuing my musical journey, is there's so much music out there. I hope I get to play it all. I know it's not possible. We'll listen to the Stravinsky octet. Oh, that movement is going to be really difficult because let me just show you. When we have something like a time signature of 2/4 and it stays in 2/4, that's easy to count. But then we've got 5/8, 3/4, 2/4, stuff like this is not the easiest to count, and it's also not the easiest to feel. I don't think this is sight readable in any way, just because of the counting alone. Let me show you my part. Oh, that looks fun. That looks fast. That looks complicated. That's definitely gonna be on my practice schedule. I love this. Oh. It's jazzy. I love this. That's the end. That's how it ends. I love it. I love this. So I've been carrying around this muffin for 24 hours at this point. We had this spread for Teacher Appreciation Week at my school, and there was breakfast available, and I took this and I ate a mini quiche and 2 deviled eggs and had this left over, and I was gonna eat it after the concert. I left it on the dashboard of my car, and then I wasn't hungry after the concert because they had a reception after the concert. So it's in my house. I'm gonna have it for breakfast this morning. And that's the story of the muffin. The story of the Stravinsky is a little bit more complicated. Basically, what's happening with the Stravinsky is there was this whole miscommunication. Moral of the story is it's really difficult to coordinate 8 different people's schedules who are all working and playing full time, and I think it would have worked had nothing gone wrong, but a miscommunication threw a whole wrench into the whole thing, and so we may not be playing the Stravinsky octet right now. So until I get word that it's happening or not happening, I'm just gonna put that project on pause. But we have other things going on this week. Most notably, a couple days ago, I got my bass clarinet back, and I have not played it yet. I know I've been on this mushroom coffee kick for a month now because I just got the mushroom thing. I didn't ask for it. My boss drinks it and he bought the wrong kind, so he gave it to me and I took it because free coffee, cool. As long as I get some sort of caffeine in the morning, we're cool. Nothing is a true replacement for coffee, especially in the French press. And the coffee that I get is roasted literally down the street. I like black coffee, like yeah, it's fine, but like I also like my coffee to taste like dessert. Like it just depends what kind of morning we're having. I think I'm gonna put a little oat milk and maple syrup into my jet fuel this morning, just to switch things up a bit. No substitute, but also there's no substitute for dunks either, so. I'm having the laziest of lazy days. This is the first time I've left my house. It's 7:20. Construction, I guess. I don't really know. There are cones everywhere. I'm gonna hit that. There are cones everywhere with times on them and dates on them. And if I don't move my car now, I'm gonna forget, and then it's either gonna get ticketed or towed or both. And that's just where we are right now. To my house all day. I am still in my pajamas. I'm literally wearing gray joggers and like my what is it called? My boots. My leather outdoorsy hiking boots. It's not cute by any stretch of the imagination. I taught a lesson completely in my pajamas because there's one student who I teach from home, and I mean my pajamas, let's be real, it's just joggers and a hoodie, so like that's kind of like what I normally wear anyways. But yeah, either way, moving my car now to get the F out of Dodge before they do construction all week, I guess. We are getting bougie and fun on a Monday. So I didn't explain that super well. I was in the elevator. We are going to see Ronin, which is a music group led by Nick Bersh, who is the teacher and mentor of my friend Tim, who is the composer. Shibui is his band, so our music is very heavily influenced by Nick and his band Ronin, and they're from Switzerland, but they're doing a show in Boston. So we're going even though it's a Monday. I hate leaving. You can't really tell. My hair was like sopping wet before I left. I hate leaving with wet hair, but I had to. This is like the only time that I had to wash my hair. But we are currently en route to wind ensemble this evening. My wind ensemble does this really cool thing where like we can invite our students to come and play with us. There's like a high school and a middle school division, and I've got a student in each one. I had a student return who did it last year because it was like super fun and a great experience, and it was actually that experience that made him want to audition for a wind ensemble, and he got in. I'm psyched that it's like still light out when I go to wind ensemble, because for the past few months it has been like nighttime. At some point, can you walk Felix through your feelings of Matt Damon?
No. We're working. He stole my entire life for his career. Mimicked it to a T. He adapted it from my life. We'll just start with, for a few examples. Hyper-intelligent working class guy from Southie toils away in a labor existence, underachieving, all while dreaming to not be here in Boston. Sounds familiar?
It does.
Saving Private who? I'm the same. In yet another Boston-centric film, The Potted, he plays a character named Colin.
I think
University.
probably.
My undergrad alma mater.
Oh, fuck.
My first carrier bag was a giant red bag. The exact line in the movie is, "Hey, red bag, stop right there." Clearly identified by his carrier bag. Invictus. I watched the World Cup in South Africa.
Wanna watch TikToks? I really thought I was gonna come home and get ready to go out. Instead, I took a nap. It's laundry day. It's laundry day. Laundry day. It's laundry day. Why can't I say it? It's laundry day. Laundry day, laundry day, laundry day. Blech. The whole party's here. We got B flat, we got A, we got bass. We got my iPad, we got my coffee. Oh, we need some more. So if you hear something in the background, that's a space heater because I'm pretty sure that the heat on this side of the school does not work. You might have realized sometimes when I do the school updates, I'm like wearing my jacket. It's still cold in here. And then I teach a student for an hour and then I have shibui rehearsal. So it's like a super long day. We're in the thick of it. We're in the middle of the day. I'm actually gonna text my student to make sure that he knows that I'm coming today. I gotta practice shibui. We're not gonna yell. We are gonna learn our music. The person who wrote this is my friend, but like, why? My student who I scheduled my entire rehearsal around is away this weekend. I'm glad I texted him. I have an Improbable Beast show coming up, so I guess I'll learn the music for that and play some bass clarinet. Oh, I'm gonna play some Bach. Oh, I'm so gonna play some Bach. Oh. I did say I was gonna play Bach, didn't I? Oh, that's an attractive angle. Let me fix that.